Hello, my name is David Greisman and I'll be your child's chemistry teacher this semester. In this vodcast, I'd like to tell you about the changes we will be implementing in the Grade 11 University Chemistry course and address any questions or concerns you might have. I have been a high school teacher for the last 20 years and I have taught at Ross for the last 10 years. My colleague Nick Key and I have noticed changes in our student population over the last couple of years, and we have been grappling with how to modify our approach to the study of chemistry in the hope of addressing some of these changes. Specifically, we have noticed that students don't seem to be doing homework on a regular basis with consistency. Students don't seem to be able to problem solve very well. We've had to delete material from our course because of running out of time. And the bottom line is students just don't seem to be engaged in the learning process. We think we've found a solution that will address these issues. It is called the flipped classroom. Essentially, this means that what was traditionally seen as classwork, that is the lecture and the lesson that I would present at the front of the room, will now be done by students at home through the use of vodcasts, just like the one you're watching right now. And what was traditionally done as homework will be done in the classroom under close supervision. The benefits of this system are many. First, we'll be able to spend more individualized time with each student while he or she works through problems during class. We'll also be able to differentiate, and what that means is that we'll be able to give students different ways or opportunities to grasp a concept. And we're hoping that by doing this system that we'll be able to help the students at both ends of the spectrum, that is the ones who have mastered and are ready to move on, as well as the ones who are struggling with concepts. We'll be able to give them more individualized attention. In general, we'll be able to spend more time practicing concepts either through more practice problems or activities. And we'll be able to determine how well each of the students has mastered each concept through small online assessments. We'll allow students to, quote, learn the material wherever they want, whenever they want, however they want, and as many times as they want. Since we've found the issue seems to be that when students are in class, they have difficulty multitasking while I'm lecturing. We're also hoping to be able to delve deeper into some concepts through specific activities. And the bottom line is that we think that this system will engage students in the process of learning and allow them to take an active role in their learning rather than just being passive recipients of content. And we'll be able to use technology like the electronic devices your children seem to want to have in their hands at all times. We'll be able to use that technology effectively as a learning tool. We realize that this is a new process and we will be experiencing some growing pains along the way, but in no way is your child's chemistry education going to be compromised. In summary, it's important to understand that we're not changing the content of the course in any way. Rather, we're changing how we deliver the content to students and how they'll be practicing their chemistry. We're very excited about these changes. In previous small trials of this method last semester, students commented that they preferred this style of learning to their traditional lecture style of learning. I hope I've addressed any questions or concerns you might have at this point. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me via email. Also, feel free to check our website as we'll be updating it regularly. Thanks, and we look forward to a great semester.